In today's video, let's talk about how to make a Walmart seller account. So let's get into it.
Subscribe.
First step is to sign up for the Walmart seller account. To create an account, you will need your first and last name, your business name, business email, business number, and create a password. Go through the agreement terms, and then you can also download the agreement and then click on close. Then you can click on create my account, and after that it's gonna send you a verification link on your email. After verifying, you can sign in your Walmart seller account. To get started to sell on Walmart, you will need to go through 3 steps. First is to verify your business, then set up your payment and shipping template. Starting with the business verification step, you are going to need the tax ID, the business name you have registered your business with, the business address, the business phone number, gross merchandise value you're going to tell Walmart about, and the highest performing category, the Walmart display name that you want your customers to see that will be displayed on your Walmart store. Same for the phone number that you want the customers, they will be able to contact you on that phone number, and the email associated with the Walmart seller account so that you can get the updates through that email. And there will be a website URL link needed. So if you sell on Amazon, you can use your Amazon like seller store link over here, and it will work for you. That's what we did. After adding all the information, you're going to submit for review, and if there will be no errors, it's gonna take you to the home screen showing verifying. And after like in a week we were verified, and you'll be notified through the email that you can sell on Walmart. You won't be able to even set up your payment if your account is not verified yet. Next step is to set up a payment method, whichever you like. We selected the Hyperwallet PayPal method. So verifying our account and setting up the payment method, we are going to set up the shipping for our items that get sold. We just selected the standard shipping, and you can add the return label address where you want your returns to be shipped back, and then you're all set to sell on Walmart. Happy selling! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button and give your feedback to the comments.